Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing a huge order. It kind of got like just handled in the mail. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Nicole. I do weekly videos. I do everything from makeup tutorials, reviews, hauls. This one is actually a Sigma Beauty. They recently had a sale, I believe. Was it 30% off or something like that? I'm not too sure, but it was like a couple weeks ago. They're in America and I am in Canada, so the shipping and everything kind of took a little bit longer. So I just got it, so I was like, okay, gotta film a video, so let's turn the lights on, let's do this. So anyways, if you want to know what I got, then please keep on watching. And it says Sigma Beauty all over it. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it says beauty delivery. Like, look how pretty this is. Can we talk about it? How gorgeous. Anyways, okay. So beauty delivery, Sigma Beauty. Oh my god, it's like an envelope. That is the cutest thing ever. Oh, this is just for you. Oh, so there's cleaning instructions. Oh, and then they're like latest. Oh, I love when companies do this. I think a brochure and palette kind of swatch. Oh my god, and all the brushes they... Oh, this is perfect. This is my favorite brush. If you haven't seen my favorite brushes video, if you haven't seen that, it will be right up here. Make sure you take a look because I have a lot of brushes from Sigma, which I bought some more and some other stuff. So yeah, but I love when they do pamphlets like this. I think this is awesome. So anyways, so when I ordered, I got a sample of the Sigmagic Brush Shampoo 100% Natural Liquid Brush Cleanser. So I cannot wait to try this because this was one of the things, but it says made from coconut oil and ethically sourced palm oil. That's really amazing. Moving on to the box. Oh, I don't want to wreck anything. Oh my god. So yeah, there was like this huge sale. I got the email and I was like, oh my god, I can't pass this up. So I'm like, let's do it. Because like, I needed... You know, you just need a couple more brushes just for yourself that you can use. I don't know. And I love Sigma, so there you go. Is this big? Oh, it's like super busted. Is this big? Oh my god. It's the brush holder. This was relatively cheap. Like, I don't know, like, what was going on, but this is cheap. And I love Sigma brush holders. Like, they are awesome. So you can store all your brushes in here for when you're traveling or just in general putting it on your vanity, like not a big deal. So there is that. Oh my god, I really wanted to try out the 3D HD blender because it's not like the beauty blender, you guys. So I got the pink one. I think there was black and pink, but I was like, let's just do pink because I'm bougie like that. So this is it. I'm super intrigued by it because there's the flat and then you can like get in there. I'm really excited to try this because I've heard pretty much good things about it. So we shall see. And this box is super, super cute. And then the star of the show is the Sigma brushes that I ordered. This one, it's start to finish copper set. That's what I wanted. I saw that they had these brushes on sale and I was like, oh my god, I need to get it because I love copper. I love the ferrule color when it's different from silver. So... Oh no! I will leave everything linked down below on what brushes these are and where this is. So the first brush is the E40. I love this brush, you guys. If you saw my video, this is the brush. Oh my god, everything's so new. I'm so excited. And then the next brush is the E30 brush. It's the pencil brush. That is one of my other favorites. And then this one... This one is the large angled contour F40. I love this one too. Like, oh, they're just so pretty. Like, I'll hold them up at the end. And then of course the F80 Kabuki. This set is just the perfect set for your face. Like, that's why I wanted it because I was like, these are my brushes. I'm not sharing these. These are just mine. So the F80, oh, I love this brush. And then of course the F35 tapered highlighter. Everything's just so new. I love new brushes. Like, nothing is more awesome than getting new brushes. So, and the last one's the E55. Like, all these brushes are linked in that video and I will link them again. And then the last one is the angle. Yeah, these are all in my favorites and that's why I was like, let's do it. So these are the brushes. So yeah, these are my favorite brushes. I can't wait to play, and I can't wait to try this out. Even the little sample to wash these brushes, I cannot wait to. I'm really happy with everything. So this is a small little haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I love Sigma. I started with Sigma, and I mean MAC was there, but they were super more expensive. Like Sigma I find is cheaper. Like I took a drive down to Minneapolis from Winnipeg, which is about 8 hours or so, and it's not that bad. And I went to the Mall of America, to the Sigma store. I remember buying a whole bunch of stuff, and I was like in heaven there. So that being said, that is the end of this video. I know it's a little haul, but it was a very meaningful haul to me. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what you want to see in the next video. I would love to hear from you. And as well as subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell as I do weekly videos. That's pretty much it. And yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.